Welcome to the Blame Game. Whose fault is it anyway? This week's topic, driving revenue growth. As a service advisor in the automotive repair industry, your role not only involves providing exceptional service experiences, but also plays a crucial part in driving revenue growth for your business. By focusing on enhancing customer value, you can create win-win situations where customers receive additional benefits while your business sees increased revenue. In today's video, we will explore effective strategies that can help you excel in this aspect of your career as a service advisor. One way to enhance customer value is by providing personalized recommendations based on their specific needs. Take the time to understand each customer's situation, listen to their concerns, and offer tailored solutions. By demonstrating a deep understanding of their requirements, you can build trust and credibility, making them more likely to accept your recommendations and invest in additional services or maintenance. Educating customers about the long-term benefits of regular maintenance is an effective strategy for enhancing customer value. Explain how proactive maintenance can prevent costly repairs down the line and extend the lifespan of their vehicle. Emphasize the value they'll receive by investing in preventive measures such as timely oil changes, fluid flushes, and inspections. This approach positions you as a trusted advisor and helps customers see the value in preventive maintenance. Creating package deals or service bundles is an excellent way to enhance customer value while increasing revenue. Offer comprehensive packages that combine multiple services at a discounted rate. This approach not only saves customers money, but also showcases the value they receive by choosing the bundled option. Highlight the convenience and peace of mind they'll experience by having all necessary services taken care of in a single visit. Implement a system for sending out personalized maintenance reminders to customers based on their vehicle's service schedule. Include special offers or discounts to incentivize them to schedule their maintenance appointments with your business. By keeping customers engaged and informed about upcoming services, you can proactively drive revenue growth while providing added value. Consider offering value-added services that go beyond standard repairs and maintenance. This could include services like interior detailing, tire rotations, or complimentary inspections. These additional services not only enhance the customer's experience, but also provide opportunities to increase revenue by upselling or cross-selling relevant services. Building strong relationships with customers is essential for enhancing customer value. Take the time to understand their preferences, build rapport, and create a personalized experience. Remember important details about their vehicles, previous services, or any special requests they may have made. Going the extra mile to make customers feel valued and appreciated fosters loyalty and increases the likelihood of repeat business. Driving revenue growth as a service advisor involves a focus on enhancing customer value. By providing personalized recommendations, highlighting maintenance benefits, offering package deals and service bundles, sending maintenance reminders with special offers, providing value-added services, and building strong relationships, you can create a win-win scenario where customers receive exceptional value while your business experiences revenue growth. Remember, by consistently providing outstanding service and going above and beyond, you can excel in your career while delivering exceptional value to your customers. Thanks for joining us. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as well as follow our other platforms for valuable content to help your shop reach its greatest potential.